Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got such an exciting video because if you're like me and you procrastinate nearly everything like I almost did this video, then I've got the perfect gift guide for you. We are doing a procrastinator's guide to the galaxy of gift giving, and I've got a bunch of tiers for you. I will list them down below. We've got under 25, gifts under 50, and then a splurge category for that extra special someone. I've got mainly lots of different categories, mainly beauty, some other things, especially for just that special person or special girl in your life. But I've got a couple of subjects, of course, that will cover all the bases no matter who you're buying for. I tried to make these as fun and unique as possible, and definitely things that are going to be very easy for you to purchase and get very quickly, of course, but they're just not going to be your typical gift card, your typical candle. These are just really thoughtful gifts that are going to make someone feel really special, like you actually put in a lot of thought and effort into them. So I hope this gives you some inspo. Without further ado, let's get on into it. I've got my notes here. So for our under $25 category, the first thing I want to mention is getting someone a really lovely picture frame to put a super special memory from you in. I know that that means so much more to people, and sentimental gifts are something that people really tend to keep and hold on to more than something else that might just clutter or junk up their house. It's so wonderful if you have a really fun memory that you can actually sort of immortalize and show off for other people to see. And it doesn't have to be a really expensive project. You can find such unique, fun, funky picture frames that you can pick up at like a thrift store. If you want to tear it down and decorate it with macaroni and glitter, you know, you don't feel too bad because you haven't spent a whole ton of money. So I love that idea. If you can't tell, I love a cozy sock, and I love these so much. Next thing I would always want, especially for the winter, and they are going to get used, is a fun, crazy, cozy sock. I have so many in my collection that I absolutely love. They just add like a little fun personal touch underneath whatever you're wearing, and they're so cozy. They're applicable for nighttime and daytime. They're not going to break the bank, and you can have so much fun with them. They even have ones that have lotion in them where you can pick up at like CVS or Ulta, and they just kind of give your feet like a luxury spa experience. And I love stuff like that. You can pick up some really cute ones. They always have some fun ones for the holidays. I love a good theme, and they're really good to personalize as well. If somebody's really into a certain TV show or a certain book or anything like that, they tend to have like a subject for everyone. So I think that is such a great gift idea or stocking stuffer. This next category works for somebody at any age, but if you have somebody in a tough age bracket, whether they're older or younger, and you're like, I just don't really know what they're into these days, I am telling you, the lip balm craze not only gives you so many different options you can choose from at so many different price points, but they're all really enjoyable. I have got some of my favorite ones here, and these are all pretty affordable over here. These are my two expensive ones. I've got the Laneige, I've got Summer Fridays, which is a staple, and then I've got the Kylie Cosmetics one, which also tastes really delicious. And if you want some really nice, cute ones from the drugstore, Elf and Colourpop are some of my favorites. But honestly, I will link them all down below. You cannot go wrong with a bunch of them. They are such an easy gift. You can get a gift set. Victoria's Secret has a really good set as well, and these just like are so easy to throw in. They're a nice treat. You can get them their favorite scent. They can throw it in their purse, whatever age they are, and I know they're gonna love it. The next thing that I love gifts that are one size fits all. And if you've got a girly that loves jewelry, you don't have to worry about what size to get her, anything like that. But Amazon has so many cute affordable jewelry sets online. There are so many that I can link down below for you, but honestly, just that as a category in and of itself, if you are looking for something in particular, it has such a great gift. I will say that what I am going to show you, my favorite brand for the holidays, is Baublebar, and specifically Sugar Fix from them. It's what I am wearing with my earrings today. They have so many fun themed holiday sets. They are really good quality. They're going to last you a long time, but they don't tend to break the bank, and they have a lot of sales on Amazon as well. You can get things like their perfect gemstone. You can get them their birthstone in necklaces and rings. You can really personalize those as well. You can get them an initial necklace. That's something that always goes on and always goes over really, really well. I find you never have to worry about what size they are or things like that. I am telling you, for 2026, eyeshadow is making a comeback. And if you've got a girl that's just getting into makeup and doesn't have a lot, or really is just a makeup enthusiast and loves her color eyeshadows, these are going to be the ones that I highly suggest no matter what price point, but they're all under $25. So the first top ones on my list are the Morphe eyeshadow palettes that they came out with this year. They have a really beautiful 6-pan and it comes in a bunch of colors. This has a mirror, which makes it so high quality. It's got 2 beautiful wet shimmers in the center, and then all these other gorgeous colors you can just use that are so unique and usable. And then they also have their 12-pan eyeshadow palettes as well. These are really, really beautiful, such staples. They're great for travel as well. And I think you really can't go wrong. The quality is incredible and they have such great color stories available. The other brand I would suggest looking into is Colourpop. This is their Christmas collab this year. It is The Grinch and it's How You Stole Christmas. And I love this collab so much. I think it's so beautiful. I have had so much fun playing with these colors. They have a bunch of different finishes. They're really beautiful. They blend out well. They're opaque. And then they also come with their huge eyeshadows. This is their Precious Metals, because if you can tell, I love a glitter, and these are so beautiful. They have so many, again, different color stories for whatever tone that special somebody really, really wants. You can get them and they definitely will absolutely be so well loved. These just don't come with mirrors, and that's my one gripe about it. So Morphe really has it set up where that's concerned. Do not underestimate somebody who's not 3 years old who loves to color. I'm telling you, anything that gives relaxation and de-stresses people nowadays are so popular. So anything that is like adult colors and coloring books can be a little bit more of an investment than like $8, but it's something that maybe they wouldn't buy for themselves, but they would love as a gift. I know when I travel or when I just want to like calm myself down and take myself off the screen at night, I love a coloring book, especially to do something with my hands while I'm watching TV. Give it to me. I love stuff like that. So you can also find one, again, something that is like really particular towards their interests that I think is so much fun to sort of tailor to whoever you're buying for. Along with that, I think it's such a good idea to get somebody a journal, especially because Christmas time, we're about to enter a new year, and it's something that they can really either use as a calendar or a new journal they can fill up for the year. Maybe you fill in a couple of really sweet notes to them along the way before you give it to them. I love that idea so much, and it encourages somebody to really take time for themselves and pamper themselves throughout the year with some meditation and journaling. I have to say, I think one of my favorite products of all time that I tried out this year in terms of makeup and beauty is the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes Eye Paints. They are so beautiful. I think they are like $25, but truly, if you have somebody that does not know about makeup and they really, really want to just try to throw something on and look put together throughout the day, those could not be easier to work with. And I think they are so wonderful, but they're pricey for one. So maybe somebody wouldn't buy them for themselves. So if I got them as a gift, I would be over the moon because I go through those now every single day. Last in this category is a one size fits all. I love smelling good so much, and I love a good body mist, and these are such great quality body mists from really amazing brands that are not going to break the bank. So it's not like getting somebody a $300 perfume. So the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush, this is in their classic 62. I have all of them. I have gone through nearly all of them. This smells like absolutely divine. Oh my gosh, if you haven't smelled this, I highly suggest going. You're probably going to want to pick one up for yourself. But any of these, this is Fleur's Vanilla Skin. I love this. I'm wearing this right now. It smells so good for the holidays because it smells like a sweet, beautiful, like you've just been baking cookies. And then also Kopari has incredible scents if you don't want something that leans so heavily sweet. They have really good florals. They have really nice fresh scents, and I love these, and this little size is perfect. So I love something that just like lets me absolutely smell delicious all the time, and it's such a great gift. The next category is going to be everything under $50. Now this one, I think we're going to start out with, again, taking care of that theme of just giving everybody like the night off that they deserve. I think a sweat set is incredible. Again, it's one of those things where you don't have to worry about the size too much, but they are so going to use this. They are going to enjoy it. Who doesn't like a really good quality sweat set? You can get a bunch on Amazon. And I think also Comfort is one of my favorite brands, and they have really good ones as well. Everything is on sale. So if you know they really love Aerie, or they really love American Eagle, or whatever you have, be even Target has such a great sweat sets, and they are so cute and so comfortable. You can travel in them, and I think they are just an absolute staple everybody needs to have, and I would love to be gifted more. Again, another thing for the beauty lover in your life, if you don't know what color she wants, what color she needs, what they really want in their life, what they don't have in their collection, I think a brush set is perfect to give anyone. This is absolutely a one-size-fits-all category, and my favorite affordable brushes on the market period are from Morphe. They just redid their entire line. They are beautiful. They've got so many wonderful travel sets. They've got a bunch of different ranges. Each shape is so very unique, and they are really good quality, and definitely a step up from anything anybody has. If they haven't bought something in the last few years, I highly suggest those. Another really good suggestion, I love giving these all the time. Holiday kits come out for a reason around this year, because if somebody is really in love with a certain skincare brand, a makeup brand, whatever have you, maybe they just love this particular lip gloss or lip liner, they will come out with a holiday set. And I think if you know somebody absolutely just is diehard and they always have a certain product in their purse, you could get them a set of these and they love them. I will put a few of my favorites up on the screen. They have so many to choose from, and these are always a hit with all the women in my life every single year. And it's such a good way for somebody to try something out too, especially like where perfume sets are concerned. One of my favorites is the Charlotte Tilbury Holiday Lip Kit, because you really give somebody the entire experience of getting like the perfect lip combo all in one without having to break your actual bank with spending all your money on the full-size products. I think it's such a good gift. The next idea on my list, I know we said no candles in this video, but I am not talking about the candle. I am talking about the candle warmer. If you have got somebody who loves her candles, but she has a lot and she collects them, getting a candle warmer is so beautiful. Not only does it look so gorgeous and really just sets the mood in the room and is so beautiful, but actually it's better for you because you're not inhaling all the fumes that you would be if you burned the candle. These are incredible. They don't break the bank. They are so lovely and such a wonderful gift. I love mine. I can't get enough. Lastly, something that I think everybody should have and maybe might forget to buy for themselves is a hair mask. In this category, you could just give somebody who really has such beautiful hair. You know, they love to go to the salon and pamper themselves. They really take care of themselves, or maybe they don't. These are such good gifts and good reminders for somebody to take care of themselves and really pour more into themselves so that they can just feel more beautiful throughout the year. I love a hair mask for that because it's so easy. It's just like a regular conditioner, except it's going to give so much more back to you. And these can be, again, a little bit more pricey than you would typically want to spend if you only have your conditioner. So I think it's such a great gift to give somebody that little extra oomph for themselves, you know? Speaking of the extra oomph, the last category is our splurge category. Now, this one is so much fun for me because I love finding the perfect thing that you actually are maybe going to spend a pretty coin on, but therefore you really have done your research. You really want this gift to be amazing, and I've got a couple of suggestions for you. One of the best suggestions I think I have in this video is a subscription service. You could get somebody a year free for Netflix. You could get somebody a subscription to something that they really want. You could get somebody a beauty box subscription. They have something for everyone. You could have them subscribe to their favorite Substack. You could get them YouTube Premium for a year so they don't have to watch ads, whatever it is. I love a subscription service so much, and I need all of them in my daily routine for so many different things. And I think it's such a great way to really invest in something that somebody really wants to have. Maybe you get them a course and they could learn a new skill, or you can get them a masterclass. This is such an incredible gift, and it just gives back to them so much. And I am like so into this. I think that that would be an incredible gift for somebody if you really want to invest in them but don't know where to get them. My favorite things ever in the beauty space, and I know that this is kind of a hot take, but it is the Patrick Ta eyeshadow duos. And I think if you want to gift somebody something that's so nice, but it's really, really just like a beautiful topper for their eyes and something that will add to their everyday look, and they could wear for New Year's and they could wear for their birthday, and if they really need to spice up the way that they look, just having one of these in your collection that you can always go to is going to be so incredible for somebody, and definitely something that I think is worth every single penny, because I love that look. I think it brings so much life to my eyes. I get compliments every single time. My mom loves it. And I just think those are incredible and you cannot go wrong. Same with an Hourglass Ambient lighting palette, and basically a face palette in general. This is something that is totally going to be a little bit more money, but you get so much bang for your buck rather than getting them one single thing like an eyeshadow duo. And I love those, but if you really are going to invest a little bit of coin into somebody, getting a beauty lover a face palette that they can use so many different products in one, that they can travel with, and is just time tested, true, beautiful, and lovely, they are going to be gorgeous. So besides the Hourglass, I will put up a couple more that I have just loved this year that I think anybody will be fantastically happy with. And you can also design your own palette on hourglass.com, so you can make sure that the colors that you're putting into are going to really be beautiful for their particular skin tone. And I think it is such an incredible gift. I have used all of mine up to the very last bit. They're the only things I take with me when I travel, and I just so feel like I've gotten my money's worth. Again, if you really want to treat a beauty lover and you don't know what to get them, you don't know what colors they like, you don't know what they need, I actually do know what they need, and it's going to fit everyone. My favorite brush brand in the entire world is BK Beauty. It is almost exclusively what I use besides my Morphe brushes, and I'm telling you, these are just so fantastic. This is from their classic line. This is in collaboration with Nikki LaRose. She's here on YouTube. If you, I would be shocked to my very core if you don't know her. But I'm telling you, this is such a beauty lover's dream. They are a bit of an investment, but I'm telling you, when I wash these brushes, you can just feel the quality difference. They are not going to fall apart. They're going to last you for years. They're a makeup artist's dream. If you've got somebody in your life who is a makeup artist, I'm telling you, they're dying for tools. And these are just going to be suitable for everyone. They make every makeup application so much easier, and I love them. This is what they look like right here. They're a vegan formula, and their brushes are so soft. They like don't tug at my skin, they don't hurt my skin, especially where my eyes are concerned, because the skin is so thin there that when you have really soft makeup brushes that actually hold pigment and are not flimsy, it's so valuable. If you know, you know what I'm talking about. They are so well worth it. Lastly, one of my favorite gifts ever is a perfume sampler, because this is something that could mean so much to somebody. Scents mean so much to us, which is why we love perfumes and we love candles and we love everything like that. But maybe it is personal, and perfumes tend to change when they sit on your skin. So a perfume sampler, like they've got a few at Ulta, they've got a few at Sephora, and I know a lot of different brands have their own if you go to their own website. This is such like a chef's kiss kind of gift, because then like the ones at Sephora, I know if you purchase the kit, they get to try all of the perfumes, make sure they really have one they like, and then they can trade in the voucher for the full size of the perfume sample that they loved the most. What an incredible gift, because you're getting them a perfume with actually having them choose it, and they get to have a bunch of other free perfumes for a little bit on the side. I know those go over so well in my family, and it's definitely something that I think you just can't go wrong with, because they're actually picking their gift. Okay guys, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, I hope that that special somebody gets like a really good gift from you this year, because I know that as you get older, gift giving is kind of better than receiving. It's so much fun to see that person's face just light up. So I really hope this was helpful, and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everyone. I'm so excited. This is just my favorite time of year, and I hope you like a little bit of this different video and different style. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to take you into the new year with me. We love to live life more beautifully over here on this cozy corner of the internet, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!